Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to upload logo in Bigcommerce. The first thing you want to do once on your Bigcommerce dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu section and you're going to select Storefront. After selecting Storefront, you're going to tap on Logo. And once you have selected Logo, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you are going to tap on Upload a custom image to use as your logo. Then you will see the option to drag or drop your image right here, or you could tap on Select an image from your computer. And by the way, you can see the recommended size for your logo right here. So you can simply tap here to import your logo. And that's it. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save in the bottom right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.